What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canay again. It's another day. We're doing another video. Today we're going to be building like the first part of this website. We're going to be kind of cloning away this website. It's called Folka.ca. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. I think they sell flowers and stuff. All the links, they work fine. But we're not going to be working on those. We're going to be working maybe tomorrow. The contact page instead. Today we're going to be working just on the first page of this website, which is also responsive. We're going to be we're not going to be working not even with the navigation or nav links yet. We're going to be doing just the CSS part today, like the first page. It's going to be responsive. So let's start. But take us just a little bit of time to do this. It takes time to build a website. So I already have my my text editor is ready to go. I got my HTML file. I got my CSS file too. I got my pictures that I already picked. I got a few different pictures I'm going to be using. Yeah. So let's start. All right. So first of all, what do we need? We need this part. Maybe this part right here. This is just a logo for the company, and I can just do that in Photoshop, but I just don't have time to do this. So we're going to be doing just through a H1 tag, just for this. Okay. Okay, we're going to start. Let's start with this. Okay, we're going to start with header. So we're going to give it a class name of, yeah, let's do a header. So let's do a H1. Yeah, we're going to call it full. So how do they have it? Let's see. It's all these capital letters. Yeah, we can use just full. We can do that, or we can just kind of fix it a little bit. Well, full ha. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Full ha. Yeah, full ha. So we're going to break it here. Yeah. Ha. Okay. All right. So we got that first part, and then we're going to have some sections. So we're going to be for the next one. So we're going to have flowers and plants. So we're going to do a couple dips inside this. Let's put a class of, what should we give it a name? Let's put it plants. Let's do that. Descriptive name. Inside this, we're going to do a div, but we may need a couple divs. Okay. Plant. We'll call it plant container. No, let's just call it plant test. Something like that. And we're going to need another div right here. What they call it, plant container or plant. Oh man, I can't even know how to spell plant content. And right here, that's where the content is going to go for this section. So we will need this part right here. So there's going to be a H1. Okay. Get a H1. Then we need the paragraph. We're just trying to clone this website. I'm not intending this is going to be, because that actually is a working website. I don't want to have any problems with this. This is just a clone. It might look like it, only for we're doing this for practice to get our skills up. Okay, we got that, and we need the a tag for the button. We'll call it class BTN. And what we got in here? I know it says shop our floral arrangements. I cannot copy that one. This says shop our floral. Says shop our oh man, floral arrangements in Toronto. Arrangements. Let's put it in Utah. That's where I live. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, we don't need anything else. We go to the next one. Portfolio. So this should be good. This section is done. So let's just copy this so we can save some time. I want to change the content. And let's put right here portfolio. Is that what it is? Yeah. Portfolio. Portfolio. Let's change here portfolio content. Portfolio content. And let's put right here portfolio test. Okay. And then what we got in here in the portfolio, we have in each one is going to be portfolio. We'll copy that. And then we got for the paragraph. Okay. And then for the BTN, what do we have for the BTN? Let's learn more about our folder arrangement. So learn more about folder arrangement. Okay, that's done. Let's go to the next one. Oh crap. Let's go to the next one. That's what we got. The next one. We need portfolio. We need about. Okay. So it's going to be the about section. About. Let's change here. Let's put about. Oh no. About content. I messed up in here then. Portfolio. Okay. Portfolio. Okay. About this, about content. And then about us. So, get rid of that. Okay. What we have in here. Let's copy the text. I mean, I could have just kept the same text over here. But since we're kind of cloning it, but I think it doesn't matter what the text is. You know, I think the next one we're going to keep that text. So we don't have to be doing all of this. What it says on the learn more about Florida's in Toronto. Okay. So let's get rid of this for now. Learn more about Florida. Let's put this in Utah. Cool. Okay, now we got his contact. Class. Wait a minute. Oh, I did it wrong. Yeah, that's why it's giving me that. Sorry. Class. We'll do. What is it? What is it? Contact. Yeah, contact. Contact section. Basically, we're going to do. Let's just copy this. What is it? The contact? Oh yeah, it's just kind of short. H1 is going to be contact. And then we have for the P, we got that. It's a short paragraph. Okay, we got that. And then what do we have? The egg tag. Yeah, I should have just BTN. Order your floral arrangement today. Let's do it today. Okay. Okay, that's done. So we need this part here again. So we need another. Let's just do the footer. This is the footer. Okay. The class of footer. And then we have right here, we have an H1. No, actually, let's do a H2 in here for the full. Okay. And then we need this section right here. This is the phone number and an email. I don't know if I should put this in here. We're cloning. If somebody look this page one day. Now let's just do that as paragraph. Okay. We got that. And then we have this last section right here. So we just do a dip in here. And let's write it down. This is going to be footer bottom. The copy. I'm going to put 2020 right here. 2020. And let's copy this part right here. And then we should be good with that. Okay. Let's copy that and let's see what we got. All right. We're good. Do we have that? All right. So let's just do the style. Doesn't look like a website. Eh? So let's go ahead. Let's go to our CSS. Let's do a short, small reset. As always, we got padding. 0, we got margin. 0, then we got box sizing. and then border box, and then we got font family, which is right here. And we're going to use sans serif, which I always use. And then what else we got? So we have a tag. Let's do that. Let's style that. What is it? Text decoration. We got none. Okay, and we should be good with that. Okay, that's what we have. Let's go back again. So okay, let's start with the banner. Banner section. Oh, there's a banner or header. What did I put? I don't remember. Let's double check. No, I don't want that. This one. Put a header. Yeah, let's put header. Yeah, that's it. Header. So in this one, but let's see, we're trying to make a response, right? We're going to take the mobile approach first. Okay. In here, I think we're going to be using for the mobile approach instead of, we're going to use the height is going to be maybe like 60 view height. And then we're going to increase it when we go to responsive, like an iPad, and also the desktop to 100. Let's see if that will work for us. Let's see, we're tasting values in here. Let's do, if I do 100, so it will look, let's do a background, URL. So we got, it doesn't matter, we'll still show images. So what is the first image that I have? I think it's called flowers, the first image. Flowers, yes. So flowers. .jpg. Now we got no repeat. And then we have center. We have cover. And then you close that. And then let's see what we got. See? I think it's too big. Let's see what is the size that will they give us right here. You know, I think it looks, that looks the same. Let's see. You know, actually, I think it's fine. We'll keep it to 100. 100 view height. Okay. So, okay, sounds good. Now, what we need right here is we need to okay, we got that. So we need a display. We'll do a flex. What do we use it? Justify content. Go to your center, and then we'll do align items. We'll do center too, and that should take care. That okay, that's center. So we're talking about maybe like 40 pixels for this. No, not for that. No, we'll see. We'll see how many pixels. Now we got header H1, font size. So let's just give it 100 pixels. Let's see. Maybe 200. Is that too big? Kind of. Let's keep it at 200. So this is the color that we'll have. It's going to be, but let's change that color. Let's give it a color of, let's do a RGBA. It's going to do 255 99 71.7. Close that. Yeah, should keep that way. Okay, cool. You know what? Actually, let's give a little bit of opacity to the image. Let's use a linear gradient. Okay, it's comma right there. Want to use a RGBA. Want to use a 0.5. We're going to copy this. Let's use a comma, and then so before you copy and paste it right here, that should give us a little bit of opacity in the image. That's too much. I think so. Let's fix that. Should we just do 3 maybe? Yeah, I think that kind of helped a little bit. Okay, so we get that part. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, right here, what we got right here? Okay. All right, so let's do that. So headers down, we gotta go to flower section. Flower. So I'll just put flower. Okay. What do we got over here? I call it plants. It should be plant. Okay, let's go back. Let's do plant. It's a class plant. Okay. So should we just do same thing, height? We'll give a view height of 100 pixels. All of them will have 100. Now, right here, the background, we're going to have a linear gradient because we want the picture to the gradient. Okay, linear gradient. Oh man, what the heck? I'm just so tired. So we're going to be using the values to right, comma, RGBA, giving the values of 55, comma, 255, 255, 0.7, and then it's going to be 50%. We're going to play with different values right here, and comma, and then we're going to copy all of this in here. So which we're going to be using 70% right here. And then you hit a comma, and then that's where the URL for the image is going to go. We have images. So I think it's called flower. What is it? Flower one? Flower one JPG. Okay. Let's close this. Flower one that JPG. We'll be using no repeat. Center, cover, and semicolon. Let's see what it's going to give us. See, it's not too bad. I think it's too white. The whole thing is white. Let's see. We only need, not all of that needs to be white. We need the one part. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Maybe change the values right here to left. We're playing with values right here. Let's see what's going to give us. Are we going to do any changes? Let me open this up really good so we can see the code. Okay. Just checking my code. Oh, that's why. That's why I gotta fix it right there. Okay, let's see. All right. That looks kind of cool. Maybe if I change it to 2, let's see what 2 is going to give me. Okay. So what are we talking about? Let's see. Which side is going to be? This side to the right first. Okay. So is that looking the same? Yeah, about that. Okay, cool. I guess that's what we wanted. Let's change something else. Let's see. What if I do 1? Okay, that looks a lot better. All right, so now we need, oh yeah, we're just working on the mobile part. Okay, we have that. So what we need right here, it's let me fix this. Okay, plants, plant high. Okay, we got that. So now we need to put that to the center. Let's see. Land. Okay. Blank content. Yeah, that'll be center. Okay. I'm just checking. To display. Flex. And then we're going to come right here to okay. It's going to be blank content. So we're going to need this to be, let me see, let me check over here. What do we have? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's do display, flex, justify content. Yeah, center on items, center. Let's see if this will help us out with that. Oh yeah. See this? As you can tell, because I use flex, all the content um, went like this. Hold on. What about if I do? Let's do column. If I do column right here, I think that. Oh man, that will not. Let's see. I don't think it will do anything. Yeah. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Let's fix here. Flex direction. Column. That's it. Put it where we want it. Okay. Let's see. So these flowers, I think it is. Let's give them. We're gonna be playing with values right for a little bit. Plant content h1, font size. So we do a 30 pixels, and padding bottom. Let's do a 20 pixels. Okay. Okay. You know, I can see right here, like the whole picture is, okay. It doesn't look the same. Right here, it looks like the whole thing is has the opacity of the white color. Yeah, let's just switch that, change that, so in that way we can have the same type of effect right here. Um, let's change my code. You know, actually, let's just do a 5 and a 5 right here, 0.5, and that will cover the whole thing. Okay. Okay. Now, right here, we gotta do a padding. Um, and the paragraph, what do they have right here? There's a padding. Yeah, let's do a padding right here. Let's copy this part and change it. Let's change here. It's a P for the paragraph. And then I don't think we have to do anything with this, but we have to use the padding. Should we use 20? Yeah, get in there. Get in there. I think there is too much of a padding right there on the bottom. So maybe we can fix that if we just do a padding bottom. Maybe do a 10 for now. Yeah, about that. So there is a little bit maybe like a 1 pix for the line height right here in the paragraph. Maybe we can fix that. Line height, let's do 1 pix, 1 pixel. Oh no, that went really bad the other way. No, actually, let's just do a 5 pixels. I think that's going to be too much. Oh no, actually, maybe let's just do 20. Yeah, I didn't plan anything. I never plan to do my stuff. I never do. I never plan to do this. It comes out, I'll just build it as it comes. Yeah, let's just fix the line center. Okay, cool beans. That's where we want it. You barely can see it right here. At least you can see a lot more over here. Okay, so now we need to work in the bottom. The bottom right here. It's going to be a BTN. Um, okay, let's do a patty. Should we do a 10 pix? Let's do a background. Background. What color is it? Yeah, it's transparent. It doesn't have any color. But it has a border. Okay. Let's just do a border. I think it's 2 pix. Solid is black. So let's see what we got. Okay. It's looking as we want it. What color is the text? Text is the same color as black. Um, hmm. Okay. Okay, we got that done. Now we gotta go to the next one. See this? It's because all my BTNs are the same. Um, yeah. So I gotta fix all of this. Okay. So what is next? So what we have? We have portfolio. Okay. So it's looking like we're it's looking like the clone already. It's looking like that other website. Let's see, portfolio. Yeah, portfolio. Okay, right here. Okay. So the portfolio, it's gonna be the same. They all have the same color. They're like all okay. Portfolio. So we don't have to. Let's copy this code right here because basically it's going to be the same thing. Let's put it in our portfolio. Okay, cool beans. Now it's going to be flower 2. Okay. Now what else do we have in here in the portfolio? we're going to be working with, we're going to be copying all of this. Let's copy all of this. We're going to change just the class name. What is the class name? I don't know why I closed portfolio. We need portfolio content. Okay. Portfolio content. Okay, we have that. Same thing over. Let's just copy this. Copy and paste it right here. So we'll save us time. Okay, that fixed the portfolio. Okay. And now we got the next one. Where you have the next one? About content. About. Okay, let's go to the about content. So we're going to do the same thing. Actually, this, I don't need that anymore because, yeah. So what I need, I will copy all of this from portfolio because it's the same thing what we're doing. What we're going to be just changing the class names. So let's see what I put for the class names. Why do I have to do this all the time? About this, about content. Okay, everything is about. I just need to replace for about, just to save us some time. Let's copy that. Copy here. Copy here. Okay, and that should fix it. And then we should be good. Oh, I gotta change the images. Yeah, that's what I was looking kinda. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Do they look the same? They look different pictures. Okay. All right. So now we gotta work in the contact, which is going to be the same thing. We just gotta change it. The class name. Okay. Copy. Let's see. Let's double check on the name. I put a contact. Okay. Yeah, actually I forgot to do something right here. In the contact, see, I forgot. I was missing a div. So basically I need, see, I forgot the contact. I need this div, copy. I'm going to change the names. You need that, and then they're supposed to go in a container, which is going to be a contact test. And this should be contact content. And this should be going inside. Okay. And now that's where we want it. Cool. Cool beans. So let's see what we got. It shouldn't do any changes. And now we can go ahead and copy the same part that we have been working. Copy. Oh yeah, I already did. Yeah, we'll just do the contact. Just change contact. Copy that, copy here, paste, paste, and paste. Okay, and then that should be picture number 4. Okay, got it. Good. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now we gotta work on this one right here. On the footer. Let's see how the footer looks like in here. Okay. Okay, we're going to do, what did I call it? Footer. Okay, class footer. Let's do a padding of 30 pixels, maybe. Okay, let's do a display flex. Let's do a flex direction, which is going to be column. Let's do a justify content, which is going to be center, and align items going to be center too. And let's see what we got. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, center. So we gotta now. Where I'm going? I'm losing track of my stuff. So I use that footer H2 and P. Okay, footer H2. So we need the text align. We got center the text. We might use some padding right here. Oh, wait. Yeah, it did. It did for that. Okay. Now I need also you know what? Actually, let's do this. If I do footer, actually no, no, because I need to fix the H2. It's going to be a P. Okay, and then this other div. What is the name for the div? Footer bottom. So text align. center. Okay, but what is it? Yeah, that's what we kind of want. But it has to be padding right here, and this is a little bit bigger. Um, Font size, maybe 30 pixels for that. Let's do padding. Body bottom, so we just do 20 pixels. It looks a lot bigger than that, yeah. And also it's capital letter. Text decoration. Oh, what? Not text decoration. Text transform. Uppercase. And maybe it's like 60. It's gonna be too big, I think. Okay. Probably the same size. Yeah, looks like that. Should get opacity. Maybe 3. Opacity. Oh, and the color. Let's see. Color transparent. Let's see this going to help. Oh no. You know, we have been looking into this color right here. So let's just use the same color because that's all we have. Right here. It's because we're cool. That's why we're using that. Color. Already has an opacity right there. I don't need that anymore. Okay, that looks better. So now we gotta give, I think the font size, it's same size. I think it's a little bit less than that. So let's do 20 pixels. That's going to be actually it's too big. I think it's 10, maybe it's going to be 15, but let's try 10. See, I think it's going to be 15. We're playing with fonts. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. Now we gotta do a padding bottom. Let's do 20 pixels. That should take care of that. Space, okay. Yeah, and then same thing over here. We should give this to font size of 15 pixels. Pixels. Okay. All right. So that's our mobile approach. This is done. You know, I think it's looking good. So you can try different size in the mobile. I never use a Moto G4. I have a Galaxy. That's how it's going to look in a Galaxy. It's going to look in a, oh yeah, what the heck? It looks a little bit different right here. I wonder why. And then everywhere is looking good. You know what? Actually, I think I will just leave it like that. iPhone. Yeah, I think it's looking perfect. Yeah. Let me check those in contact. Let's see. What did I display content center, line item center, contact, content each one. Looks like everything is fine. Hmm. Gotta fix this a little bit, but that's only in there. But I think it's looking good. Yeah, I think it's fine. All right, so let's go to responsive. Okay. Oh, I know what's happening right here. I know what's happening. Okay. Oh, I know. It's because right here we're using, let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay. It should look like this. Whole center. Okay. Well, that's fine. That's where we want it. That's where we want this. But anyway, guys. So today we only work on the mobile size, which is good. I think that's where we're going to leave it for tonight. I think it's yeah, we're going to leave it right here, and then tomorrow we're going to be working in the other stuff. Okay. We're going to be working for iPad, and also we're going to be working for desktop. We're going to be fixing all of these really good. But I like how it's looking on mobile. It's looking really nice. Love it. Yeah, not too bad. So thank you for checking the video for tonight. So we're going to continue tomorrow. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So I gotta go sleep. I gotta go work tomorrow. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it as much as you can. Thank you. Hey, have a good night. Bye bye.